Are you a CEO, leader, manager, or small business owner who finds yourself responsible for everything that's happening in your business, despite having a team around you? Would you like to guide your business, team, and people with a greater sense of purpose, confidence, and control? Our goal is simple: to develop leaders that everyone respects and wants to work for. The type of leader that we all wish we had when we started in our roles. Our one-on-one executive coaching, leadership training programs, and management workshops develop leaders to build high-performing teams that deliver improved business results. We work with leaders who want to guide their team to fly higher and achieve more without having to be everything to everybody. As a past chief instructor of the Air Force's Officer Training School, my job was to develop and guide people to lead themselves so they could lead high-performing teams in an ever-changing, can't-fail environment. For the past 15 years, I've worked with large corporations and small businesses to help them achieve their goals and achieve their next level of performance. Working with thousands of business leaders in numerous industries, our unique, blended approach is straightforward and delivers guaranteed results. So if you're feeling frustrated with your own or your team's performance and you want to take your business to that next level of performance, it's time we spoke. More importantly, let's get you back on track, delivering on your business promises with a cohesive team that delivers results at the right time and at the right standard. So give the Institute of Management and Leadership Development a call today. Let's get started on developing your leadership capability, building your high-performing team, and improving your business outcomes. Because everyone deserves to be part of a great team.